Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am unboxing some new product that I just got in that's going to be brand new on the hookedonpickin.com store. I've also got some new things from some of my wholesalers that make things for me, so I'm going to be showing you that as well.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, we're just going to start with some of these small boxes and see what all we have in here. Ooh. Oh, these are huge nail sets. I'm going to open one of these bags. Frozen nail sets. So it's basically, let me see. Eight. Yeah, it's got Olaf, like we've got Olaf here, and we've got Anna and Elsa. Yeah, so we've got multiple of these, and they do look like they're all the same. So they're just packaged in 3-packs, but we'll sell them as individual nail polish sets, but those are really nice. That's what's in this whole box. This one is a similar...
Price at the end of the video?
Yes, I will price everything at the end of this video so you know exactly how much it'll be on the store, so you just know the prices and go straight from there. All right, you can just click the link down in the description or go to hookedonpickin.com. All right. It's weird they're boxing them like this in like 3-packs. Okay, these are My Little Pony. Oh, awesome. So we were selling some princess ones that were like this, but these are My Little Pony, and they come with a few different things. Like, look at that. That's a watch that is lip gloss. So it's got 1 lip gloss, 4 nail polishes, and then it's got an emery board. And what is this? Peelable nail polish. Interesting. So it's got, let me see, 1 nail file. Yeah, and then the nail file, nail polishes. So everything you see in there. Isn't that cool? Kind of a crazy looking, like the box is a little bit lenticular with that shininess. All right, so we have a whole bunch of those. Lip gloss, watch, and nail file sets. So those will be on the store. And like I said, stay to the end. We'll price it. And then we've got this one here. Yes, so these are from someone that I'm working with in another state that makes these for me, and these are amazing masks. So they're adjustable masks, and we got all these new different patterns you'll be able to find on hookedonpickin.com. And if any of you bought my wintertime ones, they're really awesome. They're very comfortable. This that goes behind your ears, it's super soft and adjustable, and it's no fog. So to give you an idea, like this would match my outfit. There's too many choices. So it's got the no fog setup. See the way it goes like this, and these are very comfortable for your face, and you can wear them either way. But really new, fun patterns, and I thought spring is coming up. Let's do some springtime ones. Polka dots are always popular, and then, of course, just some solid colors. So we have a plain black, a plain pink, and then more of a kind of a teal color. And so it gives you a few more options for these. And these, I'll tell you the prices for these as well. So we've got a bunch of those. I love her masks. They're my most favorite ones, and they're the most comfortable. All right. Before I open up these 2 big boxes, I do want to share with you one thing. If you haven't been watching lately, we opened up some swimsuits out of a bulk box that we had gotten. Well, this is an example of one. This one is an 18W one-piece swimsuit, and so I actually just added onto the store some swimsuit lots. You get 2 swimsuits for $20. And they'll either be a 1-piece or a tankini, and you get to pick the size. So similar to my shirt top ones that I sell for a really good price, you can get the swimsuit ones. And if you've ever bought a 1-piece swimsuit, usually it ranges from $40 to $80 depending on the style. Believe me, I know, because that's the kind that I wear. And so the tankini 1-pieces are generally more expensive. And so I wanted to let you know that I have basically, you choose the size of swimsuits available for you, and you're going to buy them in a 2-pack, and they'll just be random colors and styles. I tried to do a nice variety so that you'll like both of them. But they're going to be a 1-piece or a tankini, available on hookedonpickin.com. So go ahead and just, search for swimsuits. You'll be able to find the listing there. Oh, yes. I also have 2 packs of cover-ups, and those are all the same size, too. I've got one size that's, so I've got them in, I think, medium, large, extra large, 2XL for the cover-ups. And then I also have another size called one size. So if you're not sure what size cover-up you want, or you just want it to fit well, you can choose the one size option, and I have that on there, what it normally fits. And I think that's a small all the way up to about an extra large. Fits the one size increment, because some of them, that's how they're labeled. So anyway, just wanted to let you know about the swimsuits and the cover-ups available. I know it's still cold outside, but you might be going on vacation fairly soon. So let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so we've got some LOL Best Friends accessory sets. Is that all that's in here? Looks like it. Yeah, we're going to pull one of these boxes out. I love that they're putting these in plastic now, so if they get left in the rain or something like that, it'll be easy to keep them from getting damaged. So let me pull one of these out for you. So it is pretty much a Best Friends. Looks like it's a Best Friends accessory set, and it comes with, I just want to make sure I'm reading it right. Okay, it comes with 2 bracelets, 2 hair bows, and a hidden surprise. I wanted to make sure that these were bracelets. I thought they were bracelets, but I wanted to make sure they're bracelets and not necklaces. So 2 bracelets, 2 hair bows, and a hidden surprise. And remember, stay tuned to the end. We'll be pricing everything at the end. So the LOL surprise are really, really fun. Let's open this big one here and see what we got. I'm going to move our bathing suit over here. All right. What is in this big one? If you haven't been to the Hooked on Pickin website recently, check it out. I have tons of new ones. Oh, we were sold out of these, guys. So happy they're back. Look at that. Yoda backpack. So this is a plush. I call it a Yoda backpack pillow because you can use it as a pillow. And then it's got the straps, and then, of course, hide all your fun things in this compartment. So these are amazing. We've got them, I think they're $14.99 on the store. So I'm going to look up the prices that we have everything else listed for and come right back to you. Okay, we've got everything priced, so let's just go right to the products. Of course, you remember our Baby Yoda plush backpack pillow, $14.99 on hookedonpickin.com. Then we have the My Little Pony nail polish set with a cool lip gloss watch, $7.99 on hookedonpickin.com. Then the LOL surprise pack with the Best Friends bracelets and hair bows, $4.99. Then we have the Olaf and Frozen Princesses, $6.99 for the 8-pack of nail polish. And then we have our awesome masks, $6.99, and you get to basically pick whichever design you like, $6.99 on hookedonpickin.com. And then last but not least, our 2-pack of swimsuit tankinis, $19.99, and then don't forget we also have cover-ups available as well. So that gives you an idea of what the things will be priced for that I just unboxed. And go to hookedonpickin.com to find all sorts of fun stuff, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and, of course, the thumbs up button so that more people can enjoy my video. And then leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question about anything. But you can also go to hookedonpickin.com to find tons of gift ideas, such as we've got office puzzles, we've got some military hats, we've got ninja throwing stars, we've got basically clay building Disney products, as well as some aromatherapy essential oils and tons of other things. So just go to the store, check it out, and see if you find something fun.